Have you ever wondered what goes on inside your body after enjoying your favorite slice of bread or bowl of pasta? Every bite of wheat sets off a cascade of fascinating events, and understanding them can inspire healthier choices for a vibrant life. For many, wheat is a staple in their daily meals. But have you ever wondered what happens inside your body when you consume wheat every day? Understanding the process can help us appreciate how this common grain influences our health, especially as we enter middle age. Join us as we explore the fascinating impact of wheat on our bodies. Let's introduce wheat and its importance. Wheat has been a vital part of human diets for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations like the Egyptians and Romans relied on wheat to feed their people. Today, wheat is found in many foods we love, like bread, pasta, and cereals. It's packed with essential nutrients like carbohydrates for energy, proteins for building strong muscles, and vitamins and minerals to keep us healthy. Wheat also contains gluten, a protein that helps bread rise and gives it a chewy texture. The downside is that more and more people can't eat gluten because it can cause stomach problems. Since the 1960s, farmers have grown new types of wheat that produce more grains. This has helped feed more people, but also increased gluten content and pesticide use. Understanding these changes can help us make healthier choices every day. Now let's take the journey of wheat through the digestive system. When you take a bite of bread, the journey begins. In your mouth, saliva starts breaking down the food, while chewing makes the food ready for digestion. Next, the food travels to your stomach. Here, the stomach breaks down the food into smaller pieces, making a mixture that helps with digestion. This is where carbohydrates break down into glucose, providing energy for our cells. In the small intestine, the food is broken down even more into tiny parts that your body can use. These tiny parts are nutrients that go into your blood and give you energy and help you grow. Finally, in the large intestine, the last bits of food are processed by helpful bacteria. They make good things for your stomach. The proteins in wheat, including gluten, help build and fix our bodies. But for some people with celiac disease, gluten can be harmful and make them feel sick. According to the Celiac Disease Foundation, for those with celiac disease, gluten acts like a poison. Understanding this journey helps us see how our bodies turn wheat into the important fuel we need to stay healthy and strong. And we need to educate ourselves on how this new wheat can potentially be harmful to those with sensitivities. Now here is a look at benefits plus potential health concerns. Eating wheat has many positive effects on our health. Eating whole grains can help keep our blood sugar levels steady and lower the risk of certain diseases, such as type 2 diabetes. Fiber in wheat is a hero for gut health. It regulates blood sugar and cholesterol, helping to keep our digestion regular, and can lower the risk of heart disease by up to 30%. Wheat is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Whole grains are an important source of many nutrients, including fiber, B vitamins, and minerals. Their regular consumption is linked to numerous health benefits. On the downside, there are some health concerns. Some people with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease will have stomach problems and require careful management. About 1% of the global population has celiac disease, while up to 6% may have non-celiac gluten sensitivity. Refined wheat can spike blood sugar and may lead to insulin resistance. High wheat consumption might also be linked to inflammation. Knowing both the benefits and concerns helps us make better choices for our health. Here are some practical tips for a balanced wheat intake. To get the most from wheat, choose whole grains like whole wheat bread, pasta, and cereals. These are healthier because they keep all the nutrients. Look for labels that say 100% whole grain, or check the ingredients for whole wheat as the first item. Balance your diet by including fruits, vegetables, and proteins along with wheat. Try different grains like quinoa, barley, and oats for variety and extra nutrition. Listen to your body. If you feel bloated or have stomach pains after eating wheat, you might have gluten sensitivity. If you suspect any issues, talk to a healthcare professional for advice. Making smart choices about wheat and other foods keeps us healthy and feeling great. Wheat is a fascinating part of our diet, providing essential nutrients and energy. It travels through our digestive system, fueling our cells and supporting our vital organs. Whole grains offer many health benefits, while refined grains and gluten can pose challenges for some people. Understanding these impacts helps us make smart, informed choices. By choosing whole grains and balancing our diets with a variety of foods, we can enjoy the positive effects of wheat while minimizing any concerns. Remember, making informed dietary choices is key to staying healthy and feeling great. Knowing how everyday foods like wheat affect our bodies empowers us to take control of our health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and diet advice as we pass the age of 50. And if you found this video beneficial, be sure to check out our recent video on foods that control and prevent diabetes. See you next time.